Hey everyone, it's Evan here from the Trade Risk on Thursday, January 5th, and it's intraday right now. Just want to do a short video, point out a few names that are crossing my radar, think a few individual stocks that you guys may be interested in for your watch list. Let's jump into it. We'll start just real quick touch base on the S&P 500, the broad market today. A little bit weak across most of the major averages. You can see we're just slightly in the red. And you see here, I got this table pulled up of all the sector components here for the spiders ETFs, and there's just not a whole lot of participation today. Just in the past 5 minutes or so, the XLU and XLK went mildly positive, but really you just have healthcare, staples, utilities today in the green. Like I say, technology just went green. It's just not enough energy today to get us through these previous highs. Notice where we are here in the S&P 500. We're at those previous all-time highs, so it's a spot where you'd expect some resistance, and the way the market sort of breaks down today, we really don't have that energy to get us to the upside. Doesn't mean we have to turn completely bearish here, doesn't mean we have to roll over, just means we're going to have to probably kick it to the next day and let us sort of, see how this shakes out towards the end of the week. Still constructive, we are, in my opinion, on the market at this point. So that's a quick look at the markets. Let's take a look at a few names that are hitting my screens today. Alibaba, BABA. This one has been in this very long sort of pullback here after a very sharp run up throughout the second, third quarter of 2016. Notice it pulled back all the way from the 109 highs down to about $87. Today we're seeing a 4% move to the upside. Had a nice gap and go move in Alibaba. This is what I like about it. It cleared back above $90. That was support back here. We briefly broke below it. We reclaimed it, and then we saw a nice surge follow through day higher today. We also snapped this trend line here. So on multiple time frames, you can see Alibaba starting to get back a little more in favor. Weekly chart reclaiming the 20 period. We want to see a strong weekly close, but this one's starting to look good. I think it's got earnings in a few weeks later this month. Many stocks will, so just keep that in mind. But right now, a little bit of momentum there. Tough to chase, but certainly has the momentum behind it. Amazon, we talked about this in the recap yesterday, 760 being a critical sort of pivot level in Amazon. We gapped above it today, and again, it was pretty much like a gap and go. We've seen a nice surge here intraday, almost 3%. It's tough to chase. You can see where it's coming into, previous resistance, previous supply up here right around the 780 area, give or take. But again, strong momentum, could see some follow through tomorrow. Want to pay attention to that one. A little bit slower of a name, but something that's just hitting a new 52-week high today. Actually, is it an all-time high? Yes, it is an all-time high. Is Charter Communications, CHTR. You can see emerging from a nice multi-week consolidation pattern here to all-time highs. Looks pretty interesting. A little bit of a slower beta play. And then finally, Shopify. SHOP. I know there's some news out today. I think there's a deal with Amazon. I'm not sure the specifics on the news, but from a price action perspective, the technicals looks like a nice, healthy, very constructive looking breakout today. It's a 6% move, so it's a big move, but it's emerging from about a 4-month or so base. If you go to the weekly chart, you can see beautiful technical pattern here. It's a recent IPO from 2015. It's above its IPO highs. It's now lifting from a very healthy looking base here. So things look pretty good for Shopify, so keep that one on your watch list. So I hope this video helps. Just a few names that we're watching. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon.